Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at some essential repair components for popular DJI drones, specifically the SOLKIN drone accessories gimbal camera repair parts. These are designed to help get your drone back in the air if you've had an issue with the gimbal or camera system. The product information highlights a wide range of compatibility, covering models like the DJI Phantom 3, Phantom 4 Pro, Mavic 2, Mavic Air, and even the Mavic Mini. While the color option is listed as Mavic 3 Classic, the crucial aspect here is the fit and function for these earlier, widely used drones. One of the standout features mentioned is that these parts are directly replaceable. This is a significant benefit for drone owners who prefer to handle minor repairs themselves. It suggests the design allows for straightforward installation, potentially saving time and the cost of sending the drone in for service. The product is also stated to be tested in good condition and guaranteed 100% working. This provides a level of assurance that the component will function correctly right out of the package, which is critical when dealing with sensitive drone electronics. Compatibility is key with drone parts, and these accessories are described as having good compatibility and fitting well. This means users can expect the part to integrate seamlessly with their specific drone model from the listed range, ensuring proper alignment and function within the gimbal or camera assembly. The description also refers to these as original accessories, which, coming from the SOLKIN brand rather than DJI itself, likely implies they are manufactured to meet or exceed the quality and specifications of the original parts, ensuring reliable performance. Furthermore, the promise of a long service life is important for any repair part. Drone components are subject to vibrations and environmental factors, so durability is essential. A long service life means the user can rely on the repair to last, avoiding the need for frequent replacements and maintaining the drone's operational readiness over time. The item weight is listed at a mere 1 gram, which underscores how lightweight these specific repair components are, a vital characteristic for any part added to a drone where every gram affects flight performance and battery life. Overall, these SOLKIN repair parts appear to offer a practical and reliable solution for common gimbal and camera issues on several popular DJI drone models, providing tested, compatible, and durable components for repair.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.